Discord is a platform used by lots of people to talk and discuss specific topics. How can you install Discord? Simple, go to google.com, search Discord. Here you will see the site discordapp.com. Enter into this site. After you have entered into this site, on the main site there is a button called Download for Windows. Click it. It will ask you to save a file. Save it. Now let's open the file and install the software. The installer will get all things ready. After the install is complete, all you need to do is create an account or log in into your Discord account. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.